Hey, it's Brett and Coach here, and it is a little bit after Valentine's Day, but we are still in the Valentine's Day spirit. Happy late birthday for me, since my birthday's the day before Valentine's Day. But Brian and I are going to go head to head today. We are building these mini Valentine's Day houses that are like gingerbread style. But the thing is, we only have 20 minutes to do it in, and the setting time for frosting is barely even that, so we thought that would be half the fun. Otherwise, I'm going to jump start a timer, and let's get into frosting these gingerbread houses. Let us know in the comments down below whose gingerbread house you think will be better, and you are the judge at the end to see how we actually do. So, let me get that timer going, and we'll jump right into it. Okay, timer started. Let's get into it. May the best builder win. How often have you ever done gingerbread houses?
Never.
Great, me neither. We had one once as a kid. We got it after Christmas. And it was fun. We didn't really eat it because the whole cookie part sucked. And I feel like instructions are for losers. So... oh, I have to actually crack these out open? Uh-oh. What is the best way to do this without actually cracking cookies? Oh, they actually broke apart pretty easily. What are you up to? Massaging your frosting?
Gonna try to do it. Just by the instructions. It makes sense to try. You know.
Yeah, but also the time constraint. It does say 15 minutes for the frosting to set. I don't have time for that because it's already been a minute. They do smell good as cookies though. Like, I don't hate it. Okay, that's a roof. This is a very small house. Go. Ooh. Whoop. Whoopie whoop. Ooh, this frosting already sucks. I feel like I saw an Instagram reel that instead of using frosting, people were just using hot glue because they weren't going to eat it anyway, which I think that's an interesting strategy.
That's all just for decoration?
Is that what the red is? Am I doing the wrong one?
The reds are like just decoration, and then use that to combine things, yeah.
Wait, so red's decoration? Uh-oh, did I already...
So it's pink, but you use the red to join things, yes.
Oh, okay. As I immediately get frosting in my hair. Uh-oh. Wall already down. Wall already down. I think this is a goop and hope situation. I expected to be better than you at this, and my confidence is very quickly fading. Also, I don't feel like my cookies are, like, straight edged anyway. And that's basically already a quarter of our time. Just more frosting in a dream. Oh, you're getting artistic first. I'm going for integrity. Are you following just the instructions, or are you getting creative?
Well, it looks pretty.
But are you going to have enough time to even get it assembled? I feel like that's a big criteria.
Well, you're going against the instructions. I'm going with the instructions.
Oh, I'm building these weird. Slide those back. Slide that there. Dump more frosting. Not my favorite frosting ever. But a clean workstation is a quick workstation. So if I just lick it all up, that works, right? Ooh, I have it all over the table.
Then what was the point of you bringing out the plate then?
So I'm not on the actual table? I didn't know if this thing had like a structure to it or anything. So I think the plates were a good call. Imagine me building this just straight on the table. That would have been a frosting nightmare. Okay, I'm feeling confident again. The ebb and flow of confidence.
Those go on top. What's beside this?
Uh-oh. The sides? Those are the sides. Why am I helping you? Uh-oh, I feel like I'm running out of red frosting. Maybe if I didn't eat it all. And look, even the fire department is looking out for us. Because they know how much of a disaster this will be. Come on, frosting. Come on, frosting. Okay. Alright. I feel good about this. Confidence is soaring. I expected more of a disaster. I just look like I'm bleeding everywhere. I feel like that's also famous last words. Oh, I also put my house on upside down. Like my roof, I think, is backwards. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm committing to it. Oh, this is going very much south. I thought the artistic control, the artistic in me, not the autistic in me. No, I will not cut that joke. How are you feeling on time?
You got 11 minutes? Yeah, I feel fine.
Oh, I was thinking 20 minutes wasn't going to be at all long enough, but I'm flying through this. You know the competition is intense when we both go quiet. That didn't go on the house at all. Maybe this just doesn't have a lot of curb appeal is the thing I'm going for.
Oh?
Maybe it's haunted? Wow, beautiful. just oozing on down. Oh, how am I gonna save this? Oh no. Oh no, now my wall's caving in. Oh no. Oh no. Gay panic. Gay panic. My whole wall is falling. I'm out of red frosting. The more I do it, the worse it gets.
Oh, poor thing.
Oh no. Oh no, now it's sliding the other way. Oh no. I went in so confident.
I'm already decorating.
Okay, I got 9 minutes. Refocus. Throwing stuff on the floor. Oh, is that gonna stick? Oh. Oh no. I think we're in just panic mode here. I don't feel structurally sound anymore. Executive decision, what if we just make the whole roof pink?
Kids do this? Are you kidding?
Oh, I messed up even more. I thought I was going to be able to spread this with my finger. This just feels venereal at this point. Oh no. I regret my decisions. I'm sticky and upset. Can I use the back of this as a spatula? Ooh, okay. Confidence is back. Oh, maybe not. Oh, my heart that I put on my little circle window thing definitely fell. This house is looking like a slip and slide.
I wouldn't say I'm done, but that looks cute. Maybe there's one piece in here, so.
Quick, push it back together. Okay, if I just keep adding frosting.
There was something important about the whole 15 minutes thing.
We don't subscribe to that. We subscribe to life is constantly sliding apart and we're all gonna die. So I don't have time to wait around. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. This should be going up the Friday after Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments below what you did for Valentine's Day or didn't do. If you have any Valentine's Day traditions or anything like that.
I think I understand your struggle.
Are you slowly sliding apart?
A little bit. Maybe I just don't fuss with it.
I think I ignorance is bliss my roof. If I don't look at it, it won't slide. Now I'm just going for curb appeal, I guess, even though I said it looks like a haunted house. For being like $2, the quality of this isn't the absolute worst. Okay, we've just over 3 minutes left.
I'm just gonna hold here for a bit and try to make sure it stays in place.
Try to do some last minute decorating.
I feel like if I try to fix anything more, it's just gonna get worse. Because ultimately, you're just gonna rip it off anyway, need it, right? You even made a little paint train up to it?
I did.
Wow.
I did. I'm doing some landscaping. Keep sticking them on. All will be forgiven.
Try to move that, it's just gonna fall. So I'm just gonna leave it as is.
Is mine more secure than you? Oh, that one might be a little leany.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try to mess with mine. I don't want it to fall over in the last minute, so.
What else can I do to this? Last minute and a half. You copied my ideas?
I'm gonna make a little sidewalk.
stay. I put one on the very back of the door. Please stay, please stay. We have 50 seconds left. Oh, panic. What else can I do?
20 seconds. Hey, it's still standing.
10, 9,
8, 7,
6, 5, 4,
2, 1. And it's time.
Oh. Okay. Both houses are still standing.
Yep.
Let's do a quick house tour. Those were both of our gingerbread houses for Valentine's Day. They look like they're both standing for now. Hopefully they'll be just as delicious. But if you enjoyed this content, give me a like down below, as well as comment on who is the winner. Whose did you enjoy more, mine or Brian's? And while you're down there making that decision, you might as well hit subscribe. And as always, I will see you next time in Coach.